Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Margiey and I make videos on natural hair, DIYs and travel sometimes. Let's just ignore the fact that the front part, the crown of my head is not braided because I ran out of braids. Without talking too much, let's just get into the video. So for the head wrap itself, I just cut a strip of fabric from Akinyi. There is no science to it really when it comes to cutting, but all I did is, well, I cut down the entire length. Well, I followed the length of the kitenge, and then as for the width, which is that, I just pretty much measured, well, eyeballed really this length or whatever, this measurement here, like basically from the nape of my neck to maybe where I tie a bun or something. So that's what I used to just eyeball the width of the strip, yeah? So that was my brother. He wanted to show me a meme. Quick tip: if you want the head wrap to cover more hair, make the band wider or the strip wider. That way you'll be able to cover more hair, just as I think it makes sense. It's self-explanatory. Mine is pretty narrow, that's the width, so I can't really do like a full head wrap because it won't cover all my hair. So it just depends on the look you're going for. If you want to cover most, if not all your hair, then make the head wrap or the strip wider. That's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. Also share it with someone who you think might need these tips, and if you've not subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe. Most of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed, pretty much more than 90%, so do click on that button and become part of the loop, and also turn on your notifications by clicking on the bell so that you get a notification every time I post, and not end up missing a video or an upload from me. I'll see you guys on the next video.